We're at Doug's place. This is going to be the first time that we're going to see the 6-cylinder Jaguar engine. Doug's taking this in the shop right now. I'm just acting like this because I got a t-shirt for him. Here's the Mercedes. Oh, this is Jaguar. Got a new one up on the hoist here.
That's the 420.
That's the 420. There's a day called 420, you know that?
Oh.
Yeah? There is. Wow.
I'll show you the mounts for the transmission and the...
I like the black and silver with the red pinstripe. Nice.
Yeah, you were asking me about whether the block was a long stud or a short stud.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get over.
It's a short stud.
Short stud.
And I'll tell you the difference. The long stud...
Where's Doug? We want to give you a shirt.
Oh, thank you.
No worries. Look at this bad boy, would you?
The long stud goes way down at the bottom of the block.
Okay.
And they're not the best because it's in the water jacket and they can rust. And when they do that, it's a hell of a job to try and get the motor fixed. The short stud just goes down into the top of the block.
I knew I forgot my jacket.
It's yours.
It is so.
Yeah, so I'll just hang it here for you.
Thank you very much. I'm going to come back in and got it. Well, she cooked this food and running my clothes around.
Yeah.
Man, this is a great place. I like this place. I'm coming back. This is quite a bit of work you've done since you were sitting over there.
Oh yeah, quite a bit of work. So you can make these up.
Oh wow. Come look at this baby. Oh, Doug's even thinking for it.
Yeah.
Wow.
William Lyons would have a shit fit if he knew his Jaguar went with Bugatti. But there's a tag under here.
I like Bugatti any better anyways, huh?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get that off. Jaguar. Now that's got 2 pins in it here.
Yeah.
And my other Jag, I took this off, and there's a jumping cat on the dash.
Okay. And you put that on there.
I put that on there.
Okay, cool.
But something like here could go good in there.
I'm gonna walk around this bad boy here.
Yeah.
Now we get 2 exhaust pipes hanging off here. Quite a bit of work to get that together. Wow. There's a lot of work there.
I made the test handle.
I like it. The smiles on my face. Pretty cool, eh? Looks good. We can. Do you want me to hold this?
Sorry.
What was that?
Want me to hold that, Doug? Start, didn't it? Huh? It sounds, you can tell it sounds different than, yeah, it sounds different than a V8 or.
Well, those are 2 mufflers off the they belong to Bernie. They're off an XTE.
Okay. No, what a nice little stand that is, eh? I think that is the exact same motor mount on the front as that 59 engine we got from Jim, you know what I'm saying? We're missing the motor mount on the other side.
With the stand here, you can get the dimensions for. And here's a couple of motor mounts here.
Yes, I need the metal piece. This piece here, the metal, not the mount itself, the metal bracket itself that bolts on the engine.
You're gonna have to make that.
Well, I like these.
Oh, that bolts on the engine?
Yeah, the bolts in the metal bracket that bolts on the engine.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's just right there. It's pretty basic, but it's a matter of making it.
See, when it's up to pressure, that stops. torque converter. There's, I took the pan off the transmission. It was clean as a whip inside. I just put it back together.
Yeah.
And painted it up. This is an oil cooler for the transmission. It mounts under the radiator.
Okay.
So see these pipes here.
Yeah.
Hook into here.
Yeah. It really has a different sound to it, does it not? This engine has, like, you can hear a different sound than.
Well, you're
Than we're used
listening
to.
to something with pretty much straight pipes on it.
Mm-hmm.
That's a flow-through exhaust.
Yeah.
Baffles. There's no baffles. It's just it's like a Holly.
Yeah, I like it that way. That's nice.
Now, what doesn't come with it? This doesn't come with it. Those don't come with it. They belong to a friend of mine.
Okay.
That's the radiator.
Yeah. So the radiator's not yours?
No.
So it would just be this?
Just the engine.
No exhaust.
No exhaust.
Transmission?
Transmission, yes.
And then all we have to do after that is make a deal.
Yeah.
And Jolene will be she's basically like I said, I'd just throw a Jeep motor in it.
Yeah. Well, if I put that on bringatrailer.com US, I would expect to put a reserve of $9 grand US on that real quickly without the transmission.
dripping there with it? I see something.
Pardon?
I was wondering if the gas was seeing a drip there.
Yeah, it's a
Gas.
It's shut off. Sorry, it isn't shut off. It's
Out of here.
Let me just shut that off. There's no shut off on the tank. So.
Yeah.
But you've got, I've got receipts for all the parts.
Here's what you. No.
What's dripping out of here? These are the bowls for the carburetors.
Get a little oil run right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit right there around your.
Okay.
Well, it's to be expected, is it not?
Well, if a British car isn't leaking oil, there's no oil in it.
Well, I like them. I like them when I like them when they're leaking oil. You know, there's oil in it. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good. No, it sounded nice.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Everything's nice and cleaned up. See, the thing is with that the car, we've hooked it up for a Jeep motor is what
Yeah.
we did, and I have to
Yeah.
take it and cut the mount.
Yeah.
I have to cut the mounts back out of it
Yeah.
and replace that in there. It doesn't. I don't think it matters much. I like all this gear here. It really looks.
Yeah.
Yeah. The radiator, we could a Mustang radiator be the exact same thing, or the exact same size as a Mustang.
Is it?
They're both the exact same thing. We can get them through Speedway aluminum.
Yeah.
65 or just to whatever. 67 or 8 have a smaller radiator just like that. 18 by 22, I think they are.
Yeah.
We use it mostly for everything. They run V8, so.
Yeah. Well, this pipe here.
Does that pipe go with you, say?
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's the transmission cooler.
Yeah. See the cooler here?
Yep.
So the pipes through here, but then that hooks into the radiator, each side and back.
Okay.
So you got a pipe that. This is the transmission mount.
Okay.
That fits under the car. This, I gotta get another spring from Bernie, because this one's broken.
Yeah.
That sits over there, and there's a rubber top and bottom.
Okay.
And then that goes under here. So that's your rear support.
I have a drive shaft too. Gotta bolt up to that.
I do too.
Yeah. Do so.
This is a throttle linkage. But you can have a look at this one over here. Grab my light here.
The old moosehead beard thing there. The old cap.
That's a handy little sucker. That's over the high school.
Nice cabin. Nice. What are you gonna gut me underneath this thing here now, are we?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, there's your mount.
Okay, yeah.
Your mount.
With the spring on it, I see now.
Yeah, it bolts into the floor. There's I put a piece of hose around the spring there because I didn't have The other one was beat out.
Is this how they jack up the car with this right here? Is that what's going on? Is that
Yeah,
what pieces
yeah,
are for?
Yeah, those are.
Okay,
yeah,
wow. Yeah. I think that all the engines that I see on the Jaguar, they're mounted the same right up the front.
Similar, yeah.
That one's got the exact same thing too. It does.
Yeah, yeah.
Looky there now.
Now here's something else I'll show you.
So I can use that engine that we have as mock-up. I can use that engine we have as mock-up. What do you got going on down there?
Just have a look
Okay.
back here on the rear end. Remember I was telling you how the rear ends hook in here? You're in a cage.
Yes.
That's a cage, and
Yeah.
that just bolts right to the frame.
Gotcha.
So it's an easy thing to adapt. The hot wire rodders love these things because you can bolt
What did
you can bolt that right in.
Yeah, so it's all one piece with drive shaft running to each rear, or not
Yeah,
drive
yeah.
shaft. It would be
It's all one
universal.
unit. Like
Yeah.
if you want to take that out, disconnect the exhaust, disconnect the drive shaft, disconnect the 4 rubber mounts up here,
Yeah.
and it drops right out.
What's the year of this one?
This is 67.
67. And the engine out there is a.
Same engine, 4.2 liter.
Okay.
And that's a 67 engine out there as well.
Okay. So when we get it done, we're gonna race.
Can if you want.
If you want, he says. Huh? Doug Sharp. If you want. Think you're up to it, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I guess mainly, I guess we're gonna have to talk about what the price of it is. I don't want to put that on what we're paying for something, but on the video. But we have to talk about the price of it
Sure.
and,
Yeah.
and that sort of stuff, and
Yeah.
we go from there. I think Jolene, that's the engine that Jolene would like to have.
Yeah. You better buy for it.
Well, is that how that goes?
What else is a good fellow do?
Well, I was thinking about when I started welding up the car, that's what I was supposed to do, but buying engines, I forgot about that one. I was going
That's
to
only part of it.
throw a Jeep engine in it.
No, you know.
Well, this is very nice.
That,
Have you run it up to temperature and all that
Oh,
stuff?
yeah.
No problems with it whatsoever?
Up to temperature now, I think.
Yeah, it's not even warm. But you run it up to temperature?
Oh, yeah.
Head through the gears and everything sounds good to you?
Oh, yeah. No, all is well. I'll run it some more and fine tune a little bit. It's not far off.
And what else was I going to say?
This is your power steering pump.
Yeah?
What I did was just put a loop in here.
Yeah?
So there's fluid in it so it doesn't burn out the bearings.
Yeah.
But when you want to hook up power steering on your Bugatti.
You think?
Oh yeah, that thing is heavy as hell.
Okay.
I mean, when you don't want to take the steering.
Well, I'll tell you, I don't even know the height of the Bugatti, but she does look big, tall, does it not? Looks tall. Got a measuring tape here?
Yeah, for sure.
Right there, look.
Yeah.
I don't think it'd be any taller than anything else, I wouldn't think, but
Well, it's not small.
we're gonna say 31 inches with this breather cover on it.
Mm-hmm.
31 inches. 31 inches. Can we remember that, 31?
Take your length as well.
Well,
Of the whole unit, so you.
I was thinking whatever happens, it doesn't matter to me what the length of it is because, well, it's a 6-cylinder obviously, but I will cut into the firewall
You don't want to
and bring it back.
You don't want to sit in the front seat either. So.
Well, the more it's in the middle of the car, the better she'll steer everything.
Got any room for y'all in now?
She's only small, I suppose.
Yeah. And the other thing I remember is these engines generate a lot of heat, so put a lot of insulation in the car.
Yeah. Alrighty. Do you know, like, are we gonna go to the other people's
Yeah,
places
yeah,
now?
yeah.
We're gonna go to some more people's places.
Yeah.
That means Jolene's got a lot of work because she'll have to try to fit some videos together.
Yeah.
So you can see what we're doing today. It's Saturday. We're
Yeah.
looking at a Jaguar engine. We're at Doug's place. He's just rebuilt this engine from the last time we came. And done a lot of work. You can tell by everything that's on it and what he's done. Good job. Looks good.
Good.
And we'll discuss the price and we will not let you know. Right, Doug?
Yeah.
Doug's wife said he was the noisiest one in the neighborhood.
Don't feel pressure. Don't feel bad. You don't take it. I get 90 left or less. No trouble at all.
No. We don't want to hear no prices. I don't want to hear prices like that, Doug.
Okay.
I do not want to hear prices like that.
You'd be shocked if you took that engine of yours in to an engine rebuilder.
Yeah.
And said,
Rebuild it.
rebuild it properly.
Yeah, I'm not that kind of guy. I don't usually do that. I've never done that, to be honest with you. I use what I have, and
I know you
come
do.
to the point where Jolene's we're building a Bugatti. You might as well try to spend a little money on it to make it look.
Oh, the car's worth it. It's, you got a unique car. It'll be a sin not to do it right.
That's coming from a man with time underneath his belt.
Yeah.
Means good things, doesn't it? I think I'll probably take that piece of advice. We'll see what happens. Follow this way in. Take my jacket.
So anytime you want to take measurements on how it fits,
Yes.
this is a good one to start with.
Yeah. Beautiful car. I love the colors of it.
All that woodwork you saw in the basement.
Yeah. Is it in it now?
No, it's still in the basement.
Okay.
That's
That's your winter's thing going on.
yeah.
Good job. Sounds like a good idea. And the next place we're going?
Next place would be Jeff Webster. He's expecting us about 2.
He's but what?
He's expecting us about 2. That's the wood guy.
Okay. And he's the guy with
With the wood.
With the wood. We're going to the wood guys first. Jolene's going to get some wood done to their car. That's what I'm trying to get them doors done for. If I can get them in primer, then I can give them to the wood guy, and he can make us a special molding that goes around the window, like the other Bugattis, and then we'll go from there.
So we'll take this one.
We'll take this one. You want me to move that?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Cool. Let's rock and roll.